All right, YouTube, it's the next week, and check this out. We have walls on the front, walls on the back. So we're getting there. On this side of the building, I am working on installing a large 8-foot ceiling fan up there. Now, no, it is not a big ass fan, because Big Ass Fan is a brand, and they are like $3,500 for those fans, and that one was like 400 bucks. So, hey, gotta save money where you can. Check this out. Other side of the building, totally stubbed out over here and over there. He's working on that. And of course, we still gotta get that up there. But I think the plan is 2 more days and the skin is gonna be fully done. So that means we're on track. Next week, they're gonna start insulation. So we have to get all of our wiring done this week, because once they do the spray foam, yeah, it's gonna be weird if you're trying to add wiring after they've already got the spray foam up. So we need to get that done, which means I gotta wire the crap out of stuff today. So let's hustle, let's get at it.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
All right, YouTube, ceiling fan. I know it doesn't look that big, but it's actually 8-foot diameter. It's pretty large, and I can feel it moving the air from here, so that's pretty good. That's good. I just wanted to kind of circulate the hot air down so that when we get the ACs going, this will help keep the air moving. So that's gonna help a lot. We may eventually have to install some over here, some sort of ceiling fan in here. I don't know. Then again, yeah, there's not as much room, so it's gonna be a little bit tighter of a squeeze. But all right, let's keep chipping away on electrical stuff. Well, YouTube, this side is totally enclosed. And by the way, now that it's enclosed, it is a bake box. This is ridiculously hot in here. It's probably 115 to 120 in here. Just walking in here, I am sweating instantly. Still gotta do the lights on this side, but it's so hot over here that I decided I'm gonna do that in the morning tomorrow, and I started working on the outlets on this side. So let's go take a look at that. All right, so I got the wires run and dropped down, and I'm starting to install outlets. So there's one there, there's one there, there's gonna be one over there, one over there, one over there, one over here, one over there. Gonna be a bunch of them, so decent number of plugs anyway. So, whew, it is so hot. All right, YouTube, I am calling it good for the day. It's, God, this fly is bad. It's bugging me. It's like 4 something. Been at it since 8 something. It is so hot. Anyway, outlet, double outlet, double outlet, double outlet, single outlet, and then 2 more in here. We will keep wiring crap tomorrow. I think I'm gonna get here super early and do that side of the building, because once it gets going, it's impossibly hot. So we'll get up early.
The next day.
Well, good morning, YouTube. It is 5 something in the morning. And the reason I'm here so early is because it's supposed to get to like 104, and now that that side of the shop is boxed in, well, it was beyond my limits. I admit, yesterday it was so hot in here that I just was like, no, I can't deal with this. This is too hot. So we're starting super early so we can get a bunch done today. So yeah, we need to get the wiring for the second section of the lights. So the lower, well, here, let me turn on the lights in here. The lower section of those lights need to be wired up. All the plugs on that side need to be wired up. So we don't have any outlets over there because it's all new stuff. So we need to add some plugs. So here we go. Yeah, it's pretty good, but you can see all that's pretty dark. So we're gonna set up those lights, and then we're gonna put plugs on, a decent number of these posts. And then this side will be done. And then hopefully, if we have time, we will do some wiring for the ACs and get those started. Okay, so that's the plan. All right, YouTube. So Josh is here, and we've been here since very early.
We got here at like, what, 6:30 or something?
I got here at like 5:30.
We did some AC stuff
Yeah, so
today.
this AC's in. Check it out. The wall here is going in, and look at it. Whoa. All the way through And then check this out. So way over here, finished up doing the outlets and started doing the last of the lights. And we have an AC unit over here. So that one's all done. We just gotta vacuum the lines and then we can turn it on. And then look at this. Got plugs. It's so hot.
You mentioned it's like 120 degrees in here?
Yeah.
No joke.
They said supposedly we're gonna get a break in the heat on like Saturday or Sunday. That can't come soon enough. Our our shed for the water tanks is supposed to be here any second now. So we're kind of waiting on that. We have to plumb up, redo all the water stuff.
We have 3 more units.
We still have to install 3 more units. At least we're making.
The first one took me forever. The second one didn't take as long because I kind of figured it out.
These ones are gonna be a bitch.
These ones will be a bitch only because we have to run those lines through the floor.
Yeah.
So
It's gonna suck. Well, anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. So we'll see you in the next video. We will keep hustling on this shit. So we'll see you then. It's gonna be sweet.